Hi, this is Katrina. Welcome to Best of TV. Today I'm going to share an easy way to create patterns on 100% light color t-shirts. Here's our Craft Express Sublimation HTV. It is specially designed for sublimation and suitable for 100% cotton fabrics, including your t-shirts, tote bags, pillowcase, shorts, hats, and so on. The HTV has a matte surface, it can compatible with sublimation ink, and the backing is a carrier sheet. And their sublimation process is very easy. First, cut your design by a cutting machine or simply by scissors. And print your design on the sublimation paper with a printer. And use a heat press to transfer the pattern onto the HTV. Then you will get a stunning t-shirt. The HTV have very good adhesion, can withstand repeated washing without fading and cracking. We have two different packages, roll pad and envelope pad. The roll pad measures 30.5 cm in width, 7.62 meter in length. Its length is suitable for you to cut different sizes and shapes. Here is our envelope pad. The envelope pad have 24 square sheets inside the package. It measures 30.5 cm, and its size is suitable with common use cutting mat and cutting machine. Next, I'll show you how to use the HTV. Keep watching.